Mac.
We're going to remove the F4 key. So take your tool, spudger, toothpick, paperclip, whatever you're using. Put it just underneath the bottom edge there. And you're going to take your finger and hold the top, just the top edge, and then slowly edge back. Oh, and get it all the way in there. Enough. There we go. Holding the top. Oh man, butterfingers there. Goodness, what am I doing wrong? There we go. Just kept slipping on me. I didn't have it in there good enough. Now to remove the F4 plastic hinge, take your spudger or tool or whatever you're using, stick it just up on top of the rubber cup, and then just kind of start leveraging back like that, and it should come right off. There we go. So small it might be kind of difficult to get it out. There we go. Now take your replacement plastic hinge. And you'll notice here we have a continuous piece right there, and then it's kind of separated down at the bottom. Well, this continuous piece will go on the top right there, just in case you get confused on which side goes where. Just drop it in the hole, and now push down with your finger till you hear some snaps. There you go. Now take your new F4 key, place it on top, and then what we're going to do is we're going to press down until we hear several clicks. Maybe move your finger around a little. There you go. Oh, there we go. I missed one snap. Your F4 key is installed.
Mac.
Hinge.com.